Hey, Jimmy with Cuffin Stuff. Man, we got another good one for you. Today, we're gonna do something that's a little bit odd to normal. You don't see many people do it this way. We're gonna do Rivers Easy Peel Shrimp. Why Rivers? Well, just had a great niece born this week. So in honor of her, we're gonna call it Rivers Easy Peel Shrimp. Now, this is a little different from the low country boils that you see, but man, this is so easy. It turns out so good. So hang tight. All right, as you can see, we got the water rolling. Now, there's no seasoning in this. This is just straight tap water. Nice, clean water. All right, so first we're gonna dump in the potatoes. And we're gonna let those potatoes roll about 10 minutes. Okay, about 10 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, potatoes are still going to a good boil. All right, next I'm gonna dump in, this is my onions and my garlic. I'm gonna also go on and put in my citrus. I'm using lemons. I know a lot of guys that like limes in this, but lemons. And I've got probably, I don't know, these are pretty small, so I probably have, I don't know, 10, 15 lemons cut up. And the last one. All right, another 10. Okay. Let's add the sausage. A little bit of andouille and kielbasa coined up, thick coins. All right, another 10. All righty. Then another 10. Let's stir this up good. Ah, yeah. Now, I hope you can see down in here. This is still clean water, all right? No seasoning yet. Time to do the star of the show. Let's put in our shrimp. Now, this is 5 pounds fresh off the boat. Eddie Stowe shrimp. We're gonna stir these and stir these until all of them get a nice pink color. And hot as this pot is, that ain't gonna take but a minute. You wanna make sure they lose that translucent color. All right. Let's turn the fire off. That's what I say, train. Blow the whistle. All right. We're gonna stir this up. Make sure we got all of those like we want them. All right. Next, This corn is frozen. We're gonna dump it in. We want to start to stall that cook. These are pickled sliced jalapenos. We're gonna pour those in, stir them up. And the idea is to get that water down where you can stick your finger in it. Next, something we're gonna add. We got a few snow crab clusters we're gonna throw down in there. Got the clusters down in there. Now, let's start putting seasoning to it. This is crab and shrimp boil. I'm gonna put the whole bottle in it. And you're not gonna believe this, this is something new. Guess what we're gonna use? Gator Shake. Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. This is about 2/3 of a bottle. We're gonna pour that in there. Let's stir him up. Now I want to get this water somewhere in the neighborhood of 160 degrees or below. You see, now we got a seasoning in the water. All right, well, see where we are. Oh yeah, we're about 140 degrees. All right, I'm gonna give away my little trick. Take a bag of ice. Don't open it, don't dump it in it. Just set the whole bag down in it. Let's put the top on it. We're gonna let this soak for 30 minutes, just like that. And when we start to drain it, we'll bring you back. Okay, well, we've been a good half an hour and let this soak. And this crab boil and this Uncle Steve shake, it's time to pull it out and see what we got. Now, one thing I like about this little pot, and I knew with that amount that my basket was gonna be just right, is it's got a hook on the side over here. And it helps. Now, I'm gonna let this drain for about 5 minutes and we're gonna pour it out. And when I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we've been our 5 minutes. This ought to been cool down enough to dump. There we go. Oh, look at this. Spilled it a little. All right, let's try this shrimp. You see that? See it pull off? Oh my goodness. gator shake on seafood, oh my gosh, it just permeated into it. Can't beat that. Welcome to the World River. Hey, thanks for sticking around. This is easy peeled shrimp. Now, you can call this a low country boil almost because it's got all this other stuff in it. Good stuff. It's easy to do. You need a pot you can boil water in. You can do a smaller recipe on the stove if you want to. Hey, it's good stuff. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side? Won't cost you a dime. I'll have another video for you, just you. Even if you're not subscribed, it'll be just for you, okay? Until next time, hang tight.